How many gurus telling you to publish AI-generated books with KDP have you seen this week? Or this month? Or since the beginning of the year? I see them everywhere, and they seem to pop up faster than popcorn. I don't know what that analogy was. Anyway, the claims are absolutely crazy and range from a few hundred to thousands of dollars a month. Of course that's good clickbait, but how realistic is that? Can you actually create a book with AI, publish it and start to earn money as a complete beginner? Let's have a look. The first thing I did was a ton of research. How do you actually publish on KDP? How do you do keyword research? What niches are good? And so forth. And after some research I decided to create a steampunk ephemera for junk journals with cutout pictures. It just seems like a good niche where you have a reasonably high search volume and low competition. Creating the pictures in Midjourney and then putting it all together in Canva definitely took a few hours. Days. Hours. And publish. Now that this is all done, I just need to wait for the money to come in, right? Right? And so I waited. And waited. And now it has been about a month. So let's have a look and see what happened in a month. And nothing. Oh wait, there it is, one sale. As you can see, I made one sale. So that's 236 in a month, not quite thousands of dollars. Well, I never thought any of these outrageous guru claims made any sense, and I never expected to make any money at all, to be honest. This one sale is actually a huge win for me and proves that it can work. I mean, at $236 a month, I've paid off my Midjourney subscription in about 4.5 months. But seriously, it definitely shows some form of potential, and I'll keep experimenting and I'll keep you updated. I have a few other book ideas I want to try, and who knows, maybe I really have to publish a children's book. Maybe the demand is so high that the market will never be fully saturated. After all, creating a children's book is what every single guru claims. Right? So to sum it up, don't expect to get rich overnight and don't expect this to replace your 9 to 5, especially not as a beginner like me. But it seems like there's potential for a tiny bit of an income stream if you put in the time and effort. Let's find out together. I'll definitely keep you updated and I'll see you in the next video right over there.